Guys, who is ready for admin abuse? In 12 hours. I know I'm going to be posting this video at 2:17 a.m. But look at my brain rots, guys. Rate my base at a scale to 1 to 210. I got Mateo, Galaxy version 2 mutations on it. 2 Lost Bombabitos. 2 Galaxy versions. And 1 Espresso Signora. That's a Galaxy. And I also got an Orca Law. Same Spiderini Gold. A bird essay te patapim normal, but oh my god, and a black hole goat, but with 1 mutation on it, the crab mutation. So guys, I might be posting admin abuse because every single time when I don't post any admin abuse, I'm still playing it with my friend Brayden. So I'll see you guys on 2 p.m. Peace out, everyone. Hope y'all have a good Saturday.